Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera class. Okay, for our lesson today, we are going to discuss example 7 from chapter 8, graph of the function. So you can refer to your math textbook. Okay, so question for example 7, right? Question A, complete the table of values below for the function y equal to 12 minus x power 3. Okay, alright. So how to complete this table of value? Okay, as I teach you before this, alright. So to complete the table of value, we have to use the function given. So we have to use this function y equal to 12 minus x power 3. So look at the first one. When x equal to minus 2, so y equal to 1. So the answer is, okay, when x equal to minus 2, alright, so y equal to, okay, we have to use this function. So y equal to 12, okay, 12 minus, alright, so x here you have to substitute with the minus 2 because x equal to minus 2. So x you substitute with the minus 2, so put a bracket here, then write minus 2 close bracket power 3 because here we have power 3. Okay, then equal to 12 minus bracket, okay, so minus 2 power 3 equal to minus 2 multiply with the minus 2, multiply with the minus 2, you will get minus 8. So write minus 8 here. So this one become 12 minus in bracket minus 8, so minus multiply with the minus become positive. So 12 plus 8 equal to 20. Right, so you get when x equal to minus 2, y equal to 20. So right here 20. Okay, so next, okay, when x equal to 1, so what is the value for y? So same also you have to use the function here. So when x equal to 1, okay, so class remember in the exam you have to write the step like this before you complete the table of value. Don't simply write the answer here inside the table of value without you write the step here. Cannot, you have to show the step in the exam. Okay, so when x equal to 1, okay, y equal to 12 minus, okay, this one, y equal to 12 minus, so x you substitute with a 1, so put a bracket, 1 close bracket, power 3. Then 1 power 3 equal to 1, so 12 minus 1 equal to 11. So right here, equal to 11. Okay, the last one, okay, when x equal to 2, so this one, when x equal to 2, y equal to 12 minus, so x here you substitute with the 2, so put a bracket 2 here, close bracket and power 3. Then equal to 12 minus, so 2 power 3 equal to 2 times 2 times 2 equal to 8. That's why here is 12 minus 8 equal to 4. So right, the answer here is 4. So we already complete the table of value. Okay, alright class, so we continue to discuss question example 7b. Alright, okay. Question B asks you to draw the graph for the function for this function, okay, by using a scale of 2 cm to 1 unit on the x-axis and 2 cm to 5 unit on the y-axis. Okay, draw a graph of the function for minus 3, okay, less than equal to x, and x is this one, x less than and equal to 3, then x is bigger than and equal to minus 3. Okay, this one is the range for the value of x. So as you can see here, this one is the table of value that we already complete before this for question A. So this one we already complete this table of value. Right, so you can see here the value of x is, the lowest value is minus 3, so this one minus 3. So the highest value is 3, so highest value is 3. Alright, so how to do this one? Okay, so you have to use a graph paper. So please use a graph paper. Okay, so on your graph paper you have to draw the two axes, vertical axis, y-axis, and the horizontal axis. You label it as x-axis. Okay, so at the intersection between these two axes, it is a center of the graph, or known as the origin. So you have to label as O, or the coordinate is 0, 0, in bracket 0, 0. Okay, alright. Then what to do? We have to put the scale. You have to follow the scale that been given to you for question B, which is for the x-axis. The scale is 2 cm to 1 unit. Alright, so we are going to label the scale for the x-axis. This one, horizontal axis, x-axis. So remember, from 0 to 1, the distance is 2 units. So if you use a graph paper, so make sure the distance from here to here is 2 cm. Or you can measure with your ruler. Okay, the distance for the one box. Okay, in your graph paper there is a bigger box. So the distance for the bigger box it is equal to 2 cm. So from 0 to 1 here is 2 cm, or one box, which is to label as 1. And after that 1 to 2, alright, is also 2 cm. The distance is 2 cm. Alright, so make sure your scale is correctly. Okay. Then after that you have to label the negative value for x-axis. Okay, on your left side after 0 here. So make sure from 0, from the center of your graph. Okay, the distance is also 2 cm, or one box. Okay, from your graph paper. Then you label as minus 1. After that, another scale is -2. Okay, distance also same. Make sure the distance is same. Right, it is a 2 cm. And from -2 to -3, distance is also 2 cm, or one box. Okay, so you label the highest value 2 and the lowest value is -3. Follow this one. This one I forgot to write another one. This one 3. Okay, because the highest value for x is 3, so you have to label the scale until 3. Yeah. So make sure the distance from 2 to 3 is 2 cm. Okay, alright. Then after that you have to label the y-axis. So the y-axis you also have to follow the scale given in the question. Alright, for the y-axis, scale is 2 cm to 5 units. Alright, that means from 0 upward. Upward is the negative value for y-axis. So from 0 to 5 unit, distance is 2 cm, or one box. Okay, so 0 to here is 2 cm, so you label as 5. Then 5 to 10 also 2 cm. Then 10 to 15 also 2 cm, or one box. Okay, you keep labeling until you get 40 here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Alright, make sure all the scale is same, 2 cm. After that, you have to label the negative value for y-axis, which is downward after 0 here. So from 0 to -5, distance also 2 cm, or one box downward. So 0 to here is you label as -5. Then -5 to here is -10. Make sure the distance from -5 to -10 is also 2 cm. You can use a ruler to measure. Okay, and -10 to -15 also 2 cm, or one box downward. Okay, alright. So very important for you to make sure your scale is correct. Okay, right. So the next step, you have to plot the point. You have to plot the point. Follow the table of value that you have already complete. Okay, so the first point, -339. So where is -339? So x equal to -3, so you read here. So this one is -3. Okay, go outward. Alright, because y equal to 39. So y equal to 39. So please refer to your graph that you draw in the graph paper. So read. So this one I estimate here 39. So let's see here. Okay, so this one is 3 minus 3, 39. So you plot in here. Okay. This one minus 3, 39. Okay, minus 339. So this the first point, minus 339. Okay, now the second point, minus 220. So minus 220, look at for value for x-axis, minus 2. 20 is the positive value for y. So here, so look at here. So this one, right? So you have to plot here. Alright, the third point is minus 1, 13. So minus 1, 13, right? So minus 1, 13 here. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, Okay, you have to follow your graph in the graph paper. Okay, then after that is 0, 12. So 0, 12. So 0, 12. Okay, here. Okay, 0, 12. Okay, the next point is 1, 11. So 1, 11. So here. Okay, then next one is 2, 4. 2, 4. 2, 4. Here. Alright. Then the last point is 3 minus 50. So 3 minus 50. So this one 3 minus 50. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. So the last step after you plot all the point there, right? You have to join all the point that you plot. Okay, you join. So for this graph, you also cannot use a ruler. Please don't use a ruler. Just use a freehand or use a flexible curve ruler to join the point. Okay, so you join the point. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, so this one. This is the graph that you already draw. And after you draw the graph, okay, don't forget to write the function here. The function for this graph near to your graph that you already draw there. So the function for this graph is what? The function is y equal to 12 minus x power of 3. Okay, right class. So this one this one is your graph. Make sure your line is continuously. Okay, right. Okay, okay class. Okay, I think that's all for our class today. So for your homework, okay, just finish the homework that I gave to you yesterday. Okay, that I asked you to draw the graph in the graph paper. Just finish it, the homework there. Okay, so that's all for our class today. Thank you.